In today's video, you will learn how to make a detox smoothie with avocado and passion fruit to prevent anxiety in a simple, natural way. This smoothie improves the body as a whole, fighting especially anxiety and stress. This smoothie will make your skin more alive thanks to its ability to potentialize the removal of toxins that overwork the body. These toxins enter the body in many ways, but the main ones are fast foods, processed foods, and medicines. An unbalanced diet full of preservatives, colorings, and trans fats worsen our bodies even more. Now, let's see the benefits of passion fruit and avocado. Benefits of avocado. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, monounsaturated fats, vitamins, minerals, and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Its high energetic value is associated with its fat content, responsible for increasing the HDL cholesterol, called the good cholesterol since it protects the arteries. Rich in nutrients, avocado has proteins, iron, carbohydrates, and minerals. Its flesh is rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, and E, sugar, phytosterol, lecithin, tannin, and oleic, linoleic, and palmitic acids. Benefits of passion fruit. Thanks to flavonoid and alkaloid action, passion fruit has properties that work in the nervous system. It has a soothing effect and is also an analgesic and muscle relaxant. This fruit is also rich in vitamin C and B complex, which aid in mental and emotional health. Passion fruit is rich in magnesium, an essential mineral to control stress and anxiety levels. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Now that you know the beneficial properties of passion fruit and avocado, let's see how to make this smoothie. 1/4 of avocado pulp pitted and peeled. 1 cup passion fruit smoothie pure. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons honey. Ice to taste. How to do it? Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink right away. To get good results, you need to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. To potentialize the effects of this smoothie, don't forget to practice physical activities. A daily walk is a good start. If you are still anxious and restless, talk to a doctor or try other natural options on our channel, which you can see here on the suggested videos. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.